Welcome to today's episode of Daily AI Brief, where we dissect the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. From voice models excelling in challenging real world interactions to innovative approaches in AI driven commerce, we'll explore how these advancements are shaking up industries and redefining our expectations from technology. Whether you're an AI developer, a data scientist, or an industry enthusiast, there's something here for you. So, sit tight as we dive into these exciting stories. In the voice AI landscape, XAI has emerged as a significant player with the launch of their latest model, Grok Voice Think Fast 1.0. This model has set a new benchmark by leading the voice bench with a score of 67.3%, surpassing major competitors like Google's Gemini and OpenAI's GPT Realtime. Released on April 23, 2026, Grok Voice Think Fast 1.0 is designed to tackle the complexities of real-time multi-step conversations. Tailored for environments burdened with noise and interruptions, it promises to revolutionize customer service, sales, and enterprise communication. By handling tasks where traditional voice modules flounder, such as distinguishing speech in noisy settings and managing rapid dialogue flows, it stands out with its robust performance. Technically, Grok Voice Think Fast integrates several sophisticated features. API integration facilitates easy adoption by developers across platforms, ensuring that integration into existing systems is seamless. Once integrated, it allows interaction with other software through well-documented endpoints. Multi-turn conversation architecture. Designed to support complex dialogues typical in customer service, the architecture allows for nuanced interactions, accommodating up to 10 consecutive conversation turns without losing context. Advanced NLP techniques utilizes cutting-edge natural language processing to enhance understanding by managing ambiguities in speech, with a focus on cross-linguistic capabilities, accommodating diverse accents and dialects. Collaborative development. Developed in partnership with companies like Starlink, this collaboration helped optimize the AI for high-demand, real-world application scenarios, validating its efficiency in dealing with distinct customer queries autonomously. Real-time response latency. Although exact metrics weren't disclosed, the focus remains on achieving response delays of fewer than 300 milliseconds, crucial for maintaining flow in high-pressure customer interactions. This model leads not just in benchmarks, but also in practical deployment, resolving 70% of customer service issues autonomously at Starlink. However, challenges remain. Its performance in extremely noisy environments isn't fully guaranteed, and it remains to be seen how well it scales across varied applications. Adoption rates in diverse industries are still uncertain, and costs associated with APIs are yet undisclosed. For developers keen to experiment, XAI offers the Grok Voice Think Fast API for integration testing. Resources include comprehensive setup guides on XAI's website, a great starting point for those looking to implement this technology. As businesses explore the potential of AI, this model could become a crucial tool, especially for sectors aiming to streamline operations and enhance customer interactions seamlessly. The takeaway is clear. Grok Voice Think Fast could significantly enhance automated communication, setting a new standard in voice AI technology as it continues to challenge existing norms and drive innovation in the industry. Anthropic has embarked on a groundbreaking initiative called Project Deal, which ventures into the realm of AI-mediated commerce. Conducted over the span of a week, this experimental endeavor involved 69 Anthropic employees engaging in real-world goods trading facilitated by Claude AI agents. Remarkably, 186 successful transactions were completed, exceeding $4,000 in total value. Project Deal represents a significant leap in artificial intelligence's capability to autonomously manage and execute transactions. Notably, the experiment highlighted the superior performance of Claude Opus 4.5 compared to its predecessor, Claude Haiku 4.5. This advanced model consistently secured more advantageous deals. Interestingly, participants did not perceive the performance differences, which opens up areas for enhancing user interface transparency and feedback mechanisms. Technical examination. The success of Project Deal was underpinned by several sophisticated capabilities of the Claude agents. Automation of commerce actions. These AI agents were tasked with managing negotiations autonomously, By employing complex algorithms, they handled buying and selling decisions without human intervention. Advanced negotiation strategies. The Claude Opus 4.5 was equipped with enhanced algorithms that facilitated superior negotiation strategies, positioning it to outperform its predecessor in transactional success. Real-time market simulation. The project utilized a simulated yet realistic market environment that allowed for dynamic and context-rich transaction interactions. Integration of personal preferences. Employee preferences were effectively integrated into trading algorithms, enabling the AI agents to tailor their negotiation strategies accordingly. Autonomous decision-making mechanisms. These mechanisms were crucial in allowing Claude agents to independently navigate and execute transactions based on predetermined parameters and market conditions. Challenges and considerations. While the experiment successfully demonstrated the potential of AI in commerce, questions about scalability in larger, more diverse environments remain. Furthermore, the lack of user awareness regarding performance disparities between AI models raises significant transparency issues. This underscores the need for interfaces that can effectively communicate the advantages or limitations of specific AI models to users. Ethical considerations also come to the forefront as AI's role in monetary transactions grows. The autonomy granted to these AI agents necessitates stringent evaluation of their decision-making processes to ensure fairness and prevent biases that could lead to inequitable outcomes. Future exploration. For those interested in delving deeper into the methodologies and implications of this innovative project, Anthropic's official project page offers a wealth of insights. Additional coverage can be found in publications such as TechCrunch and Unite.ai, providing broader contexts and progressive perspectives on AI's burgeoning role in commerce. As AI continues to integrate deeper into commercial operations, Anthropic's project deal serves as a bellwether for how these technologies can manage and execute complex transactions with potentially transformative effects on market dynamics and efficiencies. Researchers from Singapore University and Adobe have pioneered a groundbreaking method to enhance AI-generated images using high dynamic range (HDR) techniques. Detailed in their 2023 publication, Raw HDR, High Dynamic Range Image Reconstruction from a Single Raw Image, this method aims to advance the field of single raw image HDR reconstruction, a significant development for industries reliant on high-quality visual content. The core of HDR innovation. Traditional HDR methods typically require capturing multiple exposures of the same scene to cover the wide range of brightness levels, which can be cumbersome and impractical in dynamic environments. The raw HDR model, however, focuses on utilizing single raw inputs to produce HDR images. This is particularly beneficial for fields such as real estate, where capturing detail-rich images in various lighting conditions can make a substantial difference in marketing effectiveness. Technical innovations. The raw HDR model incorporates several advanced techniques. Exposure masks. These are used to identify and manage regions within an image that present unique challenges to HDR reconstruction. By categorizing the scene, the model can apply more targeted enhancement techniques, ensuring both the dark and bright areas retain critical details. Dual intensity guidance. This technique focuses on refining the recovery of image details across varying brightness levels. By employing dual layers of intensity guidance, the model can significantly enhance overall image quality, recovering nuanced details that are typically lost in both shadow and highlight areas. Global spatial guidance. Enhancing scene understanding, this element allows the model to better interpret and reproduce spatial details, ultimately outputting more coherent and visually accurate images. Training dataset. The researchers have provided a robust paired dataset of raw and HDR images. This resource is crucial for training and fine-tuning the model, allowing other developers to test its capabilities in different contexts. Challenges and opportunities. Despite promising results, real-world applications still presents challenges. The model's ability to generalize across different raw image formats and handle diverse lighting conditions has yet to be fully tested. Additionally, issues such as image noise and scalability with larger datasets pose ongoing questions. For developers and researchers interested in this technology, key steps involve accessing the detailed methodologies through platforms like Arxiv and leveraging Adobe's research resources. These insights could serve as a foundation for incorporating the model into existing image processing workflows. Broader implications. The integration of HDR and AI imaging not only enhances image quality but also represents a forward leap in digital imaging technologies. This advancement promises substantial impacts across professional and consumer sectors, potentially transforming approaches to photography, virtual marketing, and e-commerce. As the intersection of HDR and AI continues to evolve, it could spur new innovations, inspiring additional features in both professional and consumer-grade image editing software. The potential for real-time HDR enhancements could further broaden the scope of high-quality, dynamic visual content available to both professionals and hobbyists, democratizing access and setting new standards for visual storytelling. The landscape of artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, and a key area of focus is the ability of large language models, LLMs, to exhibit agentic reasoning. This involves the AI's capacity to make autonomous decisions, adapt to changing environments, and collaborate within multi-agent systems. A comprehensive survey, Agentic Reasoning for Large Language Models, highlights innovative benchmarks that address these complex capabilities, merging traditional AI evaluation with advanced real-world utility. Layers of agentic reasoning. The survey categorizes reasoning into three distinct layers. 1. Foundational agentic reasoning. This involves basic interactions in a stable environment. For instance, LLMs must plan actions, utilize tools, and conduct effective searches for information. It's akin to a chess game, where the environment board remains stable and the sequences of moves, tasks, are planned in advance. Technical aspects. Tasks are structured to test the model's ability to maintain coherent strategies in static conditions. Self-evolving agentic reasoning. Here, adaptability is the focus. LLMs have to evolve through feedback, memory refinement, and adaptation to new data. This is similar to how self-driving cars learn from new road conditions encountered over time. Technical execution. Integrating reinforcement learning with enhanced memory systems allows models to simulate continuous learning processes. 3. Collective multi-agent reasoning. This examines how multiple AI agents coordinate and pursue shared objectives. Such reasoning is crucial in environments like robotic swarming or complex logistical operations. Technical strategy. Emphasis is placed on inter-agent communication and coordinated strategy execution. Benchmark innovations. Context Bench. Launched in October 2025, Context Bench pushes LLMs to maintain consistency and reuse contextual information over extended periods, a challenge traditional benchmarks like MMLU fail to address. The GPT 5.4 Pro's impressive benchmark score of 92 underscores its superiority in managing these intricate tasks, highlighting a shift towards more interactive assessments. Practical implications and resources. By embracing these benchmarks, developers enhance AI agents for real-world applications. As systems get integrated into healthcare or autonomous navigation, these frameworks provide vital pathways to ensure AI systems are both robust and capable. Researchers and developers are encouraged to explore these benchmarks further through resources like the paper available on Arxiv or BenchLM Insights, which delve into changes and trends in LLM evaluations. Challenges and trade-offs. While these benchmarks offer promising methodologies, discussions persist about their representativeness in real-world scenarios. Concerns about the scalability of these benchmarks to accommodate highly complex tasks remain, alongside debates on ensuring that evaluation criteria do not embed biases, thus skewing assessments. Ultimately, as AI systems grow in sophistication, integrating sophisticated benchmarks that accurately measure agentic reasoning becomes crucial. This will guide the next generation of AI development, ensuring that systems can effectively tackle real-world challenges with the necessary depth and agility. PageIndex is revolutionizing document retrieval in Retrieval Augmented Generation (RAG) systems by deploying a reasoning-based rather than vector similarity approach. Developed by Vectify AI, PageIndex challenges traditional methods that often fail in maintaining document hierarchies. This paradigm shift could redefine how sectors like finance and law handle intricate information retrieval, ensuring documents are analyzed with higher precision and context. Traditionally, RAG systems rely on splitting documents into chunks and storing them as vector embeddings for subsequent retrieval based on semantic similarity. While effective, these methods often struggle to retain the original hierarchical structure of the documents, which is crucial for accurate interpretation, particularly in domains with complex documentation. PageIndex bypasses these limitations by employing a hierarchical tree index, which represents the document structure in a way that mimics human navigation through complex texts. This approach ensures that the logical flow inherent in documents is maintained. By preserving the sequence and structure, PageIndex enhances document interpretability and relevance, vital in fields where the accuracy of information retrieval can significantly impact decision-making, such as in legal or financial analysis. Technically, PageIndex introduces a series of innovations designed to facilitate dynamic and iterative reasoning. By integrating large language models, LLMs, it performs reasoning-based retrieval, allowing an adaptive approach to identifying relevant sections within a document. This method mirrors human cognitive processes, enabling a nuanced understanding that purely quantitative models might overlook. Such a comprehensive approach is bolstered by the use of open-source components, ensuring that PageIndex can be deployed across various systems and adapted to different operational environments. Having achieved a 98.7% accuracy rate on the Finance Bench benchmark, PageIndex has demonstrated its potential effectiveness in high-stakes environments. However, for broader application, several challenges remain to be addressed. Key among these is performance generalization across diverse sectors beyond finance and law, and the framework's scalability when handling extremely large datasets. Moreover, while the reasoning-based retrieval leverages the strengths of LLMs, its effectiveness in highly specialized documents where expert-level reasoning might be required still requires validation. For practitioners and developers interested in exploring PageIndex, resources are readily available. The official PageIndex AI website provides robust documentation and guides to facilitate integration into existing systems. Additionally, industry blogs offer valuable insights into practical applications and the conceptual frameworks that underpin this innovative approach. In essence, PageIndex is pioneering a new era of document retrieval, proposing a methodology that goes beyond traditional vectors to embrace reasoning-based systems aligned more closely with human cognitive processes. This not only reflects a shift in how AI can approach complex problem-solving, but also opens the door to more interpretative and reliable information retrieval systems across industries. As we've seen today, the rapid advancements in AI technology are reshaping industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From voice AI and commercial transactions to enhanced imaging and intelligent retrieval systems, the potential of AI to transform our world is immense. Stay curious and keep exploring these innovations as they're set to redefine the future. Join us next time for more insights and breakthroughs in the world of AI.